Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix an error which is for security and performance. This mode of Windows only runs verified apps from the store in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, please type for settings. The moment you have typed it, wait until a best match would appear. Where here you need to go with the best match once it's here and go with open to continue. Afterwards, you would be able to open the settings window where here you just have to wait until everything are all set. Okay. So here, please proceed directly to the left side of it where you can see a list of the options. Now we need to go with your system, click on it, which is next to home. And here you need to scroll down and look for an option called activation, which contains activation state, subscriptions, product key. Now tap on it. And here you would be able to see different options where here you need to go and update your edition of Windows and click on Open Store. Now, the moment you have the click on it, you would be able to update your Windows and you would be able to switch on a window that is compatible to your machine. And the moment you have to click on this open store, there you would be able to get an option where you can switch into S mode. Now, be mindful that the moment you have the switch on S mode, there won't be any charge. There won't be any charge that will cost you. Okay? So just have to go with and follow the prompt there, and there you can go with. Okay? So another method that you can do is here at the left side of the screen, please proceed with apps. Click on it next to personalization. Okay. And here you need to go with advanced app settings. Choose where to get apps, archive apps, and install updates. Tap on it. And the moment you have tapped on it, you would be able to see this first option under advanced app settings, which is choose where to get apps. And aligning to that, you would be able to see an option called this. Okay. So here you need to click this down arrow and look for an option called anywhere. Now the reason why, one of the factor why you face an error is that you have set your Windows into the Microsoft Store only to to choose where to get apps in the Microsoft only. You had accidentally or mistakenly, or you have set it into default. Just how that is why one of the reason why you face error on installing an application from a different platform aside from Microsoft Store. Okay, it is the recommended one, but you won't be able to install or run a program if it's not from the Microsoft Store if you set it into here. Okay, so you must click on this down arrow and choose anywhere. And your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes. And by that, you would be able to install applications across from different platforms aside from Microsoft Store. So I would recommend you to go with anywhere so that you won't be able to face any problem upon installing or running a program or software or an application here in your Windows. Okay? Once you're done, close this window and try to check if your problem has been fixed. I'm sure it will be fixed this time, okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.